Check out this 1975 Buick Electra Limited. One bad ride, fellas. She got a big block 455 in it. This is one solid car, fellas. Check out the interior. She's clean, fellas. Got a couple of minor stains, but no rips or nothing. Check out that dash. No cracks or anything. No stains. She's clean, fellas. Check out the headliner. She's nice. Check out the engine bay, fellas. We got a 455 Buick big block. Torque monster. This how you want to buy your classic, fellas. Look like they got some aftermarket lume in there, which is all right. She's clean, fellas. This how you want to buy your classic. In excellent condition. Let's start it up and hear how she sounds. Fire right up. Radio work. Got some gauges down there. It's one bad ride, fellas. She runs good. Running good, fellas. This is how you want your classic. Contact information is in the description below, fellas. Don't miss out.